Unboxing Termofol LG400 heating mirror with lighting.
Another sound, another autumn novelty in our offer is a very interesting product. A heating panel with a mirrored front panel. Additionally, this front panel has two light sources installed here. So the heating panel also serves as lighting, as well as a mirror function. The heating panel, measuring 60 by 80 centimeters, fits nicely into bathroom interiors. As I mentioned, the heating panel is equipped with a heating function, although this heating function is actually an anti-fog function. What does this mean? It means that even if the bathroom is very hot, very warm, right after a bath, when in this room, there is a lot of moisture, the mirror will never fog up, it will not require wiping, it will not require additional cleaning. Evaporation occurs by itself, there is no need for cleaning it. All functions of this device are controlled from the touch panel on the front of the device, but I will tell you about this in a moment.
Thanks to its 400-watt power, the mirror infrared panel Termofol is perfect as the primary heat source in small bathrooms up to 6 square meters, depending on the building's insulation level. Thanks to the combination of heating and lighting functions. And as a usable mirror, you not only save space in the bathroom, but also gain a modern and practical source of heat.
And now let's see what this device looks like live. The package includes, as always, a clear instruction manual in Polish and English, including information on how to mount the heating panel on the wall and how to control the panel. As always, screws are also included. The panel arrives well protected in a durable, strong cardboard box. Nothing rattles, nothing flies around. So let's take a look. Here is the panel right after being taken out. Not yet turned on. The plug is loose. The heating panel, or rather a mirror with lighting, you now see it turned on. Lighting with 2 points of light on the sides of the mirror allows, firstly, certainly illuminating the bathroom, and secondly, ladies and women will definitely be pleased with this solution. Morning grooming and morning makeup will definitely be much easier. The mirror here is framed, and the frame is visible at the front of the panel, but it is not wide and does not particularly disrupt the very elegant front surface. At the bottom of the mirror there is a control panel. Importantly, from this control panel we can set the color temperature. The lighting is 3000, 4000, 6000 Kelvin, and you can also see blinking Wi-Fi control diode. This means, as you can probably guess, that the mirror or the heating panel can be controlled from a smartphone or tablet. There is also a built-in thermostat here. You can program the device's operation in terms of both temperature and in terms of time. The most important function, of course, is the anti-fog function. The device then maintains the temperature, preventing steam from settling on the surface of the mirror.
Model LG400 combines modernity and functionality, enhancing everyday comfort. The button with the light icon allows you to turn the lighting on or off. To adjust the brightness, hold this button until you reach the desired level. Unfortunately, the mirror was not very cooperative with Wojtek's maybe too large hands. Therefore, we asked our colleague for help. Hold the light icon and the minus button to select one of the 3 color temperatures. C1 is cold color. C3 is the warmest color, and C2 is intermediate, the most natural. The LG400 mirror is equipped with an anti-fog function. Hold the power button until the letters A and F appear on the screen. The mode operates for 20 minutes, keeping the mirror surface free of steam. To connect the panel to the Wi-Fi network, turn on the device. The Wi-Fi signal icon will start blinking, indicating readiness for pairing. To reset the Wi-Fi on the mirror, turn it on and press the power button. Off will appear on the screen. Hold the plus button for 5 seconds. The Wi-Fi mode has been reset. Do you want to disable the Wi-Fi function? Turn on the heater and press the power button until off appears on the screen. Then hold the minus button for 10 seconds. The Wi-Fi symbol will disappear from the display. To reactivate the Wi-Fi function, repeat the previous steps. Thank you for watching our video. If you have questions or want to learn more, visit our website or contact us. See you in the next videos.